let's look at this question. Within the proper segregation of duties for the revenue cycle, again, we're talking about the revenue cycle, which of the following department represent an example of custody? So you have to be familiar with the revenue cycle, which department are involved, and simply put here, they're asking us which department is considered custody. Custody means they hold the asset. Now, without knowing anything, you might be able to answer this question. So who holds the product, custody of the product? Well, what can we do immediately? If you're looking at A, B, C, D, if you know anything about the revenue cycle or the purchasing cycle, you could eliminate C. Why? Because the receiving department is part of the purchasing cycle, which I also cover, and I might, do a session about the purchasing cycle. So immediately you could take out C. The receiving room is part of the purchasing department, so it's not part of the revenue cycle. You could also take out B, and hopefully you know why. Billing is accounting, so it's not part of custody. And remember, accounting, if billing is accounting cannot have custody. Remember, those two things, they have to be separate. Accounting and custody, they cannot be combined. If you have access to the record, which is you have access to the accounting record, you have access to billing, you should not have custody of the asset. So B is a no-no. Well, think about it now. You're down to 50-50. If you want to take a guess, which one is the custody? Is it the shipping or is it the warehouse? Who holds the asset? The warehouse holds the asset. So but the shipping also get their hands on the asset because they ship it. Yes, shipping, they execute the order. Shipping also, they work as a reconciliation process. What do I mean by Reconciliation process? Remember, the shipping department, they're going to be receiving two different things. They're going to be receiving a sales order. They're going to be receiving a sales order from the credit department, Remember, the credit department approve the sales order. They're going to be receiving a sales order from the credit department, but also what they would also receive, they would receive a sales order from the warehouse. Also, the warehouse sales order from the warehouse. Why? Because the warehouse, my pen is acting up, because the warehouse kind of transferred the goods to them, to the shipping people, with a sales order from the warehouse, and they match those two. Say they reconcile, then they ship it, then they prepare the shipping document. So that's why it's an execution and reconciliation, not custody. Custody is warehouse department.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.